Welcome. In front of me is a BLU Vivo One Plus from 2019, and today I'll show you how to access the factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Okay, so now that the device is off, you want to hold power key and a volume down, so power, volume down, both of those keys at the same time, and when you see the blue logo you can let go. So right now you can let go. And we're now in factory mode. So in here you will use a volume down key to navigate and power key to confirm. And as you can see, you can run auto test, manual test, test items, test report, back test, clear eMMC, which is just a different way of saying hard reset, check version, and simply reboot the device. Now whatever you select and you want to do, once it's selected you want to then press power key. So if I want to leave, I'm gonna have reboot selected, power to leave this mode basically. And once the device is off, it will reboot automatically and back into the Android system. So let's give it a moment. And we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.